Meaning of gabfest.
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 Gabfest. A gabfest is an informal conversation or discussion, usually among friends. The term is often used to describe a lively exchange of ideas or opinions on a particular topic, often with a humorous or lighthearted tone. A gabfest can take place in a variety of settings, from a casual gathering at someone's home to a more formal conference or symposium. The goal of a gabfest is typically to share information, build relationships, and have fun. Overall, a gabfest is a great way to socialize and connect with others in a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere.